Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm actually from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I did my undergrad at the University of Minnesota and now I'm at the U of I, so I've grown to really love the Midwest. I got into agriculture because I grew up riding horses and I've always been interested in science. Most of my research focuses around protein content in corn and understanding the genetic basis behind that. And so something really special is here at the U of I. We have the Illinois Long-Term Selection Experiment, which began in 1896 on campus here. And so now, almost 125 generations later, we have corn that was selectively bred to be really high or really low protein. So they started with a variety called Burr's White, which has about 11% protein in the seed, and now the high protein line has around 30% and the low protein line has around 4%. So these are really the highest and lowest protein concentration corns that there are. The pink comes from a transgene, which is from coral, which gives the corn the pink color. And so the coral gene is fused to a gene that makes seed protein, and so every time the corn plant is making seed protein, it's also making this pink color. And so the corn that has darker pink seeds has more protein and lighter pink less protein. And so this is just a really cool visual way to see it right away. So we are working on a method to measure protein from the corn using the pink color, so actually extracting the color values from pictures of the seeds and processing that. And so what's interesting is we look at protein in corn overall, but to get more specific, the pink color is attached to one type of protein in the corn seed when there are many, and so using the color can actually help you track the specific protein more, but also give you an overall estimate. Protein and yield actually have an inverse relationship. When corn has higher protein, it has lower yield. And so modern corn hybrids probably have about 8 to 12% protein right now. And so one way to potentially increase yield would be to lower the amount of protein in corn seeds.